Washington, D.C., the pulsating heart of the United States, boasts an array of iconic places that encapsulate its rich history and vibrant culture. The majestic Lincoln Memorial stands as a solemn tribute to the nation's 16th president, while the imposing Washington Monument pierces the sky, offering panoramic views of the city. Delve into the past at the Smithsonian museums, where treasures from across the globe are housed under one roof. Stroll along the National Mall, flanked by the stately Capitol building and the serene Tidal Basin, home to the blooming cherry blossoms in spring. From the bustling streets of Georgetown to the political corridors of Capitol Hill, each corner of Washington, D.C. invites exploration and discovery, weaving together the tapestry of American heritage and modern innovation. Now we show you top 10 places to visit in Washington, D.C. Before starting video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Number 1. United States Capitol. The United States Capitol, an enduring symbol of American democracy, sits majestically atop Capitol Hill, overlooking the bustling cityscape of Washington, D.C. With its iconic dome and neoclassical architecture, the Capitol building serves as the seat of the United States Congress, where history is made and laws are enacted. Surrounding Capitol Hill, you'll find a tapestry of historical sites, from the Library of Congress, the largest library in the world, to the Supreme Court, where pivotal legal decisions shape the nation's course. Take a leisurely stroll through the verdant grounds of the Capitol Hill neighborhood, dotted with charming row houses, vibrant cafes, and cultural landmarks like the Folger Shakespeare Library. Whether you're marveling at the grandeur of the Capitol building or exploring the rich history of its surrounding neighborhood, Capitol Hill offers a captivating glimpse into the heart of American governance and culture. Number 2. Jefferson Memorial and Tidal Basin. Nestled along the serene shores of the Tidal Basin in Washington, D.C., the Jefferson Memorial stands as a timeless tribute to one of America's founding fathers, Thomas Jefferson. Its graceful columns and domed roof provide a picturesque backdrop for contemplation and reflection. Surrounded by blooming cherry blossoms in the spring, the Tidal Basin offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of the city, inviting visitors to leisurely stroll along its shores. As the sun sets, the Jefferson Memorial and the Tidal Basin are bathed in a golden glow, creating a truly magical atmosphere that captures the essence of America's capital city. Number 3. Lincoln Memorial. The Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. stands as a solemn testament to the enduring legacy of Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States. Its grand marble facade and towering statue of Lincoln exude a sense of reverence and awe, drawing millions of visitors each year. Set against the backdrop of the reflecting pool and the Washington Monument, the memorial offers a poignant reminder of Lincoln's leadership during a pivotal era in American history. As visitors ascend its steps and gaze upon the words of the Gettysburg Address and Lincoln's second inaugural address etched into its walls, they are transported back in time, gaining a deeper appreciation for the ideals of freedom and equality that Lincoln championed. Number 4. White House. Nestled at 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue in Washington, D.C., the White House stands as the iconic residence and workplace of the President of the United States. Its neoclassical architecture and gleaming white exterior make it one of the most recognizable buildings in the world. Steeped in history and tradition, the White House has served as the backdrop for countless historic moments, from presidential inaugurations to state dinners and diplomatic summits. Visitors from around the globe flock to its gates, hoping to catch a glimpse of its storied halls and lush gardens. As a symbol of American democracy and leadership, the White House continues to captivate and inspire all who pass through its gates. Number 5. World War II Memorial. The World War II Memorial in Washington, D.C. stands as a solemn tribute to the millions of men and women who served and sacrificed during one of the darkest chapters in human history. Its majestic design, featuring granite pillars, bronze eagles, and a central fountain, honors the bravery and resilience of those who fought on the battlefields and home fronts. As visitors wander through its expansive plaza, adorned with inscriptions commemorating key battles and campaigns, they are reminded of the sacrifices made to secure peace and freedom. Set against the backdrop of the reflecting pool and flanked by the Washington Monument and Lincoln Memorial, the World War II Memorial serves as a poignant reminder of the enduring spirit of the greatest generation. Number 6. National Archives. The National Archives in Washington, D.C. stands as a custodian of the nation's most treasured documents, preserving the foundations of American democracy for future generations. Housing the Declaration of Independence, the Constitution, and the Bill of Rights, among other priceless artifacts, it offers a profound journey through the country's history. Visitors can marvel at these iconic documents, tracing the footsteps of the nation's founding fathers and gaining a deeper understanding of the principles that shape American society. With rotating exhibits, educational programs, and interactive displays, the National Archives invites exploration and discovery, fostering a deeper appreciation for the ideals that define the United States. Number 7. Washington Monument. Standing proudly in the heart of the nation's capital, the Washington Monument in Washington, D.C. is an enduring symbol of America's founding principles and the legacy of its first president, George Washington. Rising majestically to a height of over 550 feet, its iconic obelisk silhouette dominates the skyline, offering panoramic views of the city and beyond. Visitors can ascend to the observation deck, soaking in breathtaking vistas of landmarks such as the Capitol Building and Lincoln Memorial. Surrounded by verdant grounds and pathways, the Washington Monument serves as a beacon of unity and resilience, inspiring all who gaze upon its towering presence. Number 8. Arlington National Cemetery. Arlington National Cemetery, situated just across the Potomac River from Washington, D.C., stands as a hallowed ground honoring the sacrifice and service of America's military veterans. With its sweeping rows of white headstones, it serves as a poignant reminder of the cost of freedom. Here, among the solemn serenity, lie the final resting places of heroes from every corner of the nation's history, including presidents, military leaders, and ordinary soldiers. The tomb of the unknown soldier, guarded around the clock, symbolizes the nation's gratitude to those who gave their lives in service to their country. Visiting Arlington National Cemetery is a humbling experience, offering a moment of reflection and reverence for the men and women who have served the United States with valor and honor. Number 9. Washington National Cathedral. The Washington National Cathedral, a towering masterpiece of Gothic architecture, stands as a beacon of spiritual and cultural significance in the nation's capital. With its intricate stone carvings, majestic stained glass windows, and soaring spires, it offers a breathtaking tribute to faith and craftsmanship. As the 6th largest cathedral in the world, it welcomes visitors from all walks of life to admire its beauty, attend worship services, and participate in educational programs. Perched atop Mount St. Alban, the cathedral's commanding presence on the D.C. skyline symbolizes unity, hope, and the enduring power of faith. Number 10. Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial. The Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial in Washington, D.C. stands as a towering tribute to the civil rights leader's enduring legacy. Carved into the stone of hope, Dr. King's iconic image gazes out over the Tidal Basin, inspiring visitors with his message of equality, justice, and freedom. Surrounded by cherry blossoms and inscriptions of his most memorable speeches, the memorial invites reflection on the progress made and the work still to be done in the ongoing fight for civil rights. As a beacon of hope and inspiration, it serves as a reminder of Dr. King's timeless vision of a beloved community united in peace and harmony. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.